Hey folks, it's JT. I ordered a survival loader from the Reloaders Network, and I got it in the mail. Uh, it comes in this little plastic case here. It's got a lid that slides on, slides off. Inside of it, you have your primer punches and your priming tool. Plastic. The end is metal here. The rest is just plastic, 3D printed stuff. Plastic file. This is the only metal piece in it. I'm not sure. I think that might be for sizing. I'm not really sure what it's for yet. The instructions really aren't that great. And I'm going to show the instructions to you right now. There's the first page. Second. Third. And fourth. They're just terrible instructions, if I'm being honest with you. I don't like this kit. I like the fact that it has a box that stores everything inside of it. But other than that, I'm not very happy with it. I think it's just cheap. Some people might differ with me on that opinion, and that's fine. It's got scoops with it and stuff. It all fits inside of this container here. Yeah, I'm not going to fuss with it too much here. There we go. And anyway, it all fits inside of there. I'm not going to hold you up while I fiddle with it. Like I said, that one was from the Reloaders Network. It's a 12-gauge survival loader. I don't like it. I don't like things that are just flimsy and all plastic. So I found this other one called the Survival Loader by the X-Ring, made in America. It has everything you need inside of it to reload 12-gauge. The only thing you need is a mallet. I have a little non-marring Craftsman mallet that I use for my Lee Classic loaders. It'd be fine for this too. Don't use a steel hammer on something like this. You want to use either a wood mallet, a leather mallet, or a non-marring mallet. You don't have to beat the tar out of them, just gentle taps. I'm going to leave a link in the description, because not only does he give you some very good instructions on how to use this tool, but he also has a full video on YouTube showing exactly what each part is for and how to use it. And to me, that's pretty valuable, because I learn things easier by going to see them than I do by reading about them. And after you started reloading centerfires, I do 38, 357, stuff like that. I have a hand press, and I have the old-fashioned Lee Classic ones you use with a mallet. The basics are the same. You're just putting the shell back together with the powder, the primer, and wads. But he has a video to show you step by step how to use it. And when he sells you the product, he says, email me anytime you've got any questions and I'll answer them for you. So, and then he also put 4 vials in here that you can put powder in. They're right here. Put your charge of powder in it, take it to the range. After you fire your 12-gauge, you can reload them, maybe with a different powder charge or something, and try out different loads while you're at the range. Anyway, I just think it's a better built, more thought out survival reloader than the Reloaded bench. So I wanted to show those to you. I'm going to stop loading some 12 gauge with this soon, and I'll probably make a video of it. But my wife bought me this for my birthday, which was a few days ago. And it's the 12 gauge plus. The plus comes with a 6 and an 8 star. What do you call that there for the end of it, you know, to crimp it there. Anyway, it's got a 6 and an 8 star. The regular one just comes with the 6 star. So that's about it. I want to thank you all for watching. And like I said, in the comment section, the description section, I'll leave a video to this guy's YouTube channel that shows exactly how to use this tool. And you can go down there and look at it. And if you're interested in that tool, there is a link on his website that you can use to get it. Well, thank you all for watching, folks. I hope you all having a great Memorial Day weekend. It's a little rainy over here. It's been raining on and off all weekend. We need the rain, so we're not complaining. So I hope you're all well and you're doing good. May God bless you all. Take care.